Independence Day. Happy Independence Day. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. And Independence Day idioms. My question for you today is freedom one of the main reasons you want to supersize and grow your business? I know that it is for me. And we're going to do something a little different today. Instead of taking one idiom that has anything to do with Independence Day or freedom and share the etymology of that, what does it mean, where does it come from, how could you apply it to your business today, I challenge you on this Independence Day to think about how much freedom having your own business, owning your own business, growing your own business affords you and those you love and care about and those you're here to serve. I'm going to share just a bunch of Independence Day and freedom related idioms. And if you don't want to think about Independence Day and freedom and your business, think about your favorite and share your favorite freedom idiom, freedom saying, freedom anything, because one of the most important things we need to remember is, believe it or not, we still live in a free country. We live in a free country. We are freer than any other country in the world, and we can do what we're free to be, who we are, do what we want, create what we want in the world. And I say choose to create and make the world a better place, but not everybody chooses that, and that's their freedom, right? We get to decide what we're going to believe. We get to decide what messages we're going to share and how we're going to show up in the world and the example we're going to set. And that's because we're free to do that here. So what are some idioms that have to do with Independence Day, since it is the 4th of July here in the United States? And I'm a fireworks fan. We're from a fireworks family, and I love celebrating the 4th of July. I totally and completely appreciate the freedoms that we're afforded here, and I can't imagine living anywhere else. So what are some Independence Day related idioms? Share your favorite in the comments below. I'll see if I have my favorite. Mine is always, with great freedom comes great responsibility. And I don't know that that's an idiom. I don't think it's an idiom, but it is one of my favorite freedom sayings, right? Okay, so what are some Independence Day idioms? Free reign. The world is your or someone's oyster. Paddle one's own canoe, meaning take care of your own business. Clip one's wings. We don't like that because that's the opposite of freedom, right? If our wings are clipped, if we're controlled, we're not very free. No holds barred. I do like that one. Be one's own master. I think that's important. I'm sure that would irritate some people, but I like it. As free as a bird. That's a good one. Again, clip someone's wings. I guess I like that one. I wrote it twice. Not really. Spread your wings. Much better than clip someone's wings. Born free. Definitely was born free. Elbow room. Freedom to have elbow room and take up as much space as you want. Freedom of speech. Definitely one of my favorites, since I like to talk. Free spirit. Free-spirited. There's no such thing as a free lunch. We've talked about that one before. I think it says freeloading, which is hilarious. Feel free. That's a good one. Get off scot-free. That's the negative version of getting away with something you probably shouldn't have gotten away with. Free will. Love that one. We all have free will. Are you free? Just a simple question. Cut the cord. Cut the cord. Be responsible for yourself. Again, freedom and responsibility go hand in hand. Loosen the apron strings. Sometimes I need to loosen the apron strings on my kids. And fly the coop or fly the nest. Those are just a few. So what's your favorite Independence Day or freedom related idiom? Share in the comments below. Go out, make it an amazing holiday. Since it's a holiday, we're taking it easy today. But I will be back with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to supersize and grow your business today? Have a free and awesome day.